So this app says you can earn money just by playing a simple game, and I decided to test it out to see if it is actually true. This game is available on Play Store, and you can download it for free and register an account using your Google account or your Facebook. So this game is just a color sorting game. All you need to do is to move the different colors around and match with the correct colors, which is actually very simple, and it is also very fun. Now I've played this game and I'm currently in level 12, and from what I've seen from the app, you also watch ads. There are a lot of ads, so the app says that these ads can actually increase your balance. So this is actually how to play it. You match the colors. So once there's nothing to play like this again, you click on deal. So just patiently wait. Okay, so keep playing. You click on deal again. Okay, here's an ad. I'm going to pause this video. Okay, so let's continue. So you click on deal again. Another ad. So you can open this other box here. It's free. You click on deal. So to be able to claim this, I'll need to watch this ad or decide to give up the reward. So let me just watch the ad. So at this point, this game or everything still look normal. And like I said before, I've played this game for some time now. And let's just check the minimum withdrawal to know if we are going to waste our time on this app or not. So you click on the green notes up there, you click on it, and you can actually see my balance here, and the minimum withdrawal is very high, very high. Now one thing I've noticed from using this app or playing the game is the too many ads. Sometimes if you start to feel as if I'm just watching the ads and not actually playing the game. And when I compare how much time I've spent playing the game and how much I've earned from playing the game and the minimum withdrawal, the progress is actually very slow. And to be honest, it looks as if this app is just designed to keep you playing and watching ads and not really to pay you. So I feel like it is just good for fun. So if you just want to play for fun, that's fine. But if you're someone who is trying or thinking of using these apps to make money from it, then I don't think it's worth your time. It is not worth your time at all. But if you want better and safer apps to try, then feel free to check out other videos on my channel. And feel free to join my Telegram channel. The link will be in the description box or comment section. And if you've tried this app before or similar apps like this, please kindly drop your experience in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.